How do you make your own chicken laps? Come, let me share the best way to enjoy your chicken laps. Make it this way, you will thank me later. Welcome to the Delicious Kitchen, everyone. My name is Tolu. Those are the chicken we'll be using today. They have to be well washed. They are already well washed. I'll be pouring them in the pot now. And those are the ingredients I'll be using. I have chili flakes there. That's what you can see there. I have ginger and garlic powder there. Yes. And what I have here are thyme, and I have rosemary there. What I have at the other side here is what we call curry, and in the middle there I have seasoning, and at the end there is my black pepper, and I also have bay leaves there. Yes, so lovely. Those are the ingredients I'll be using today. In the middle there I have Cameroon pepper. Now I'm going to pour them on top of our well-washed chicken laps. What I have here is tomato paste. I'll just be using a bit. It's optional, but for that super color that will be given, everyone will be asking you, how did you prepare this? Just add some tomato paste. We call this tin tomato back at home. Add some into it. After that, I'm going to add salt into this. After salt, I'll be adding diced onions. Be generous with your onions. You will love the result too. So I'm just going to massage everything together. You can use your hand. You can use a spatula for this. No problem. Look at how it looks. You can see that the chicken laps are well covered with those ingredients. Now cover and bring it to a boil. Once it starts to boil, open and stir thoroughly. Okay, you have to slow cook it for about 30 minutes, but occasionally open it and stir thoroughly, okay, to prevent it from getting burnt. You can see it has produced its own juices, so that's what you're cooking it with. Now cover and continue cooking. So it's time to open it, mix it together, turn down the heat and leave it just in its own juice for about 5 minutes. After that, get your sieve, take them out of the juice and allow it to just drain, just for about a minute. I'll be using this opportunity to say thank you so much to all you, my followers. Thank you so much for your comments, for the likes, for sharing my videos. God bless you all. You can keep the juice for your jollof rice later. Can you see what we have here? Can you see the color? Can you see this golden chicken? We ain't done with it yet. Now in a pot, I'm going to pour some vegetable oil. Now heat it up and start to fry. And I have something here to show you. It's optional, but it's going to flavor the vegetable oil. And you can also use the vegetable oil for any other thing like jollof, for stew. All right, what you've just seen now is garlic and onions. It's optional, but if you'll be using the oil for cooking later, please add it into it. You will love it. It will flavor the vegetable oil and you will love the results when you are eating your chicken. Once the other side is brown, just flip it over and fry the other side too. And once it's golden brown, take them out of the oil, and you know what? It is ready. Serve this with jollof rice, serve this with jollof spaghetti. I bet they will ask you, how did they prepare this? Look at what we have here. Are you celebrating a birthday or you're just having a party? If you're having a party, make this. Serve your visitors this. They will love it. This is super delicious, and I bet you're going to thank me later. Not just only delicious taste, it's a super juicy, and it looks really special. Super delicious, super juicy, and tastes super delicious. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Remember to share, leave a comment. Thank you so much. Bye.